The Promethean Annotate app is perfect for adding annotations over anything displaying on your panel screen, enabling you to make the most of teachable moments. You may also use it over top of connected devices. To access, tap the unified menu, then the Annotate app. The toolbar appears. Drag to move it anywhere on your screen. Choose between a pen or a highlighter. Tap the pen or highlighter button once more to change its width. Choose from 5 ink colors. Annotate to help highlight a point, jot down some quick notes, and more. Use the undo and redo buttons to make quick corrections. Use the eraser to erase a bit of an annotation, or use Clear All Annotations to start fresh. At any time, tap the I button to exit Annotate mode and interact with apps on your screen. Tap the I button once more to return to Annotate mode and continue annotating. Tap the X to exit the app. All annotations will disappear upon closing the app.